Ever wondered how vital your liver is for your overall health? This powerhouse organ, tucked away in our bodies, plays a pivotal role in our well-being. It's like the body's personal detox center, filtering out harmful substances and toxins from our blood. It helps in breaking down fats, regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and even aids in the production of essential proteins and bile. Imagine a bustling city, with its waste management system ensuring cleanliness and efficiency. That's what our liver does for us. Now consider the impact if this system malfunctions. Poor liver health can lead to a host of issues, from fatigue and weight loss to more severe conditions like liver disease. But fear not, there are ways to keep our liver healthy and functioning optimally. One effective method is through our diet. So, are you ready to give your liver the care it deserves? Let's dive into the top 5 foods that can give your liver the detox it needs. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the ever-popular avocado. Now you might be thinking, avocado? Really? But yes, this creamy green delight is not only a toast topper extraordinaire but also a liver-loving powerhouse. You see, avocados are packed with a compound called glutathione. This might sound like something out of a science textbook, but it's a substance that your liver absolutely adores. Glutathione plays a pivotal role in the detoxification process, assisting the liver in flushing out harmful substances from your body. It works like a diligent little helper, neutralizing harmful free radicals and transforming them into a water-soluble form that can be easily excreted from the body. This in turn helps protect your liver cells from damage. But the magic of avocados doesn't stop there. These green gems are also rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats can help to lower the levels of bad cholesterol in your body, reducing the strain on your liver. Furthermore, avocados are a great source of fiber. This dietary component is essential in maintaining a healthy digestive system and aids in the prevention of constipation. A well-functioning digestive system means less work for your liver, allowing it to focus on its other vital roles. And let's not forget about the vitamins. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins like C, E, and K, as well as B vitamins. These vitamins are not only beneficial for overall health, but they also play key roles in liver function and detoxification. So the next time you're mashing avocado onto your toast or slicing it into your salad, remember, it's much more than just a tasty addition. You're also giving your liver a boost, and there you have it. The humble avocado, a delicious and nutritious ally in your quest for optimal liver health. So the next time you enjoy an avocado toast, remember you're also giving your liver a boost. Garlic, a common ingredient in many dishes, is our 4th pick. Now, you might be thinking, garlic? Really? How can something so commonplace be beneficial for my liver? Well, let me tell you, garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to liver health. This small, pungent bulb is packed full of properties that make it a liver's best friend. Garlic is known for its ability to activate enzymes in the liver. These enzymes play a crucial role in flushing out toxins from your body. Think of them as the cleanup crew after a big party. They go around picking up all the unwanted waste, making sure your liver stays in top shape. But that's not all. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, along with selenium. Both of these compounds work hand in hand to protect your liver from damage. Allicin is a powerful compound that provides the distinctive smell when you crush or chop garlic. It's not just about the aroma though. Allicin has antioxidant properties that help combat harmful substances that could potentially damage your liver cells. Selenium, on the other hand, is a trace mineral that your body needs in small amounts. It works as an antioxidant, helping to fight off damaging particles known as free radicals. When these free radicals are left unchecked, they can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and, over time, serious health issues. So, next time you're cooking, don't skimp on the garlic. Not only does it add a burst of flavor to your meals, but it also gives your liver a helping hand in detoxification and protection. You can incorporate garlic into your diet in various ways. From fresh cloves to garlic powder or even supplements, the choice is yours. Just remember, moderation is key. So there you have it. Garlic, a humble kitchen staple playing a significant role in maintaining your liver health. It's truly fascinating to see how nature provides us with such powerful tools in the most unexpected of places. Who knew that something as simple as garlic could do so much for your liver? We're down to number 3 on our list, and it's the vibrant beetroot. This humble root vegetable is not only a feast for the eyes with its rich crimson color, but it's also a boon for your liver health. Beets, or beetroot as some might prefer to call them, have a unique ability to improve liver function. This is largely due to a compound they contain called betaine. Betaine helps the liver to eliminate toxins, and it also stimulates liver cell function. But the magic doesn't stop there. Betaine even aids in defending the liver and bile ducts, which are vital for digestion and absorption. Now here's where things get interesting. Beets actually have the ability to thin the bile. Bile is a substance produced by our liver that aids in digestion, particularly the digestion of fats. However, when the bile becomes too thick, it doesn't flow as well as it should, which can lead to a number of issues, including difficulty in digestion and even gallstones. By thinning the bile, beets allow it to flow more freely through the liver and small intestine, improving overall liver function and aiding in the digestion process. This is key for liver detoxification, as a well-functioning liver is able to more effectively remove toxins from the body. And let's not forget about the high antioxidant content in beets. These antioxidants help to fight off free radicals in the body, which can cause cellular damage and lead to various health problems, including liver disease. The antioxidants in beets, which include beta-carotene and lutein, not only protect the liver but also support overall health. So, while beets might not be everyone's first choice when it comes to vegetables, their benefits for liver health are undeniable. Whether you incorporate them into your diet through a refreshing beetroot juice, a hearty beet salad, or even roasted as a delicious side dish, your liver will certainly thank you. So, don't shy away from adding a pop of color and a liver detox boost with beets in your meals. Coming in at number 2 is the calming and detoxifying green tea. Green tea, a popular beverage worldwide, is not just a comforting drink to enjoy on a chilly day or to soothe your throat. Its benefits go far beyond that. One of its most significant benefits lies in the realm of liver health. The secret to green tea's health benefits lies in its rich content of catechins. These are a type of antioxidant known for their ability to combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals, as some of you might know, are harmful molecules that can cause damage to your cells and lead to a variety of health issues, including liver disease. When it comes to the liver, catechins play a crucial role. They assist in overall liver function, promoting the organ's health and its ability to detoxify. This means that the liver can more efficiently process and eliminate toxins from your body, keeping you healthier in the long run. But the benefits of green tea don't stop there. This potent brew also offers protection for your liver. Studies have shown that green tea can protect the liver from diseases, even those induced by harmful substances. For instance, alcohol, while enjoyed by many, can have detrimental effects on the liver when consumed excessively. However, green tea has been shown to counteract some of these effects, offering a layer of protection to your liver. Of course, this doesn't mean that green tea can completely negate the effects of unhealthy habits, but it does suggest that incorporating green tea into your diet might provide your liver with a little extra help. And the best part? Green tea is easy to incorporate into your routine. It's as simple as swapping your regular cup of joe for a warm, soothing cup of green tea. So, the next time you're reaching for a drink, why not consider green tea? Not only will you enjoy its calming effects, but you'll also be doing a favor for your liver. So, swapping your regular cup of joe for some green tea might just be what your liver needs. And now the number 1 food for liver detox is the golden spice, turmeric. This vibrant spice is a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for our liver. The secret lies in its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, which can protect the liver against damage. It even has the ability to regenerate damaged liver cells. Quite remarkable, isn't it? But the goodness of turmeric doesn't stop there. This golden spice also boosts the natural production of bile. Bile plays a vital role in digestion and helps our body get rid of toxins. By increasing bile production, turmeric aids in keeping our body toxin-free. Turmeric is indeed a golden gift of nature to our liver. Its unique compounds work in unison to detoxify, protect, and rejuvenate this vital organ. So adding a bit of turmeric in your dishes not only adds flavor, but also keeps your liver in top shape. And there you have it, the top 5 foods that can help detox your liver. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First, we have the creamy avocado, packed with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps cleanse your liver. Next up is garlic, a superfood that activates liver enzymes and flushes out toxins. The third on our list is beets, a vibrant vegetable that boosts liver function and increases natural detoxification. Our fourth contender is green tea, a soothing brew filled with antioxidants that assist in liver function. And last but not least, turmeric, a golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to enhance the body's natural detoxification process. Incorporating these foods into your diet isn't just a flavorful adventure, but a journey towards a healthier liver. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthier you. So, give these foods a try and see the difference they can make in your liver health.